2009 Mercedes Benz GL 450, 130,000 miles. 130,000 miles. 2009 Mercedes Benz GL 450. Folks, let me tell you, whoever purchases this vehicle, whoever's the first one down to One Stop Auto Sales and takes delivery of this vehicle is a winner, I promise you. $12,980. Folks, this is the Mac Daddy. This is the highest SUV that Mercedes-Benz sells. This is a GL 450, folks. The V8 engine. This has got your dual roofs. It's got two moonroofs, leather, navigation, dual DVDs, dual roofs. 2009 with only 130,000 miles. Clean Carfax. Black with the tan, navigation, keyless entry, of course, cruise control, heated seats, wheels, drop hitch receiver wiring harness. More importantly, folks, let me tell you, Mercedes-Benz prides themselves on safety, folks. This is a 4Matic. 4Matic means it's an all-wheel drive. Already has your drop hitch receiver wiring harness. Black with tan interior, navigation, dual moonroofs, wheels, running boards, dual DVDs, black with tan. 2009, 130,000 miles. Once again, it has the dual moonroofs, one in the rear, one in the front, folks. Give us a call. You can call Stephen Amerson or Spencer Hood, 478-741-8009 or 478-365-6183. And anyone out there that enjoys a nice sound, listen to your radio, stereo, folks, it's got the Harman Kardon stereo system. There is absolutely nothing that does not say elegance, does not say high-end, high-dollar vehicle. This vehicle has it all, folks. Let me tell you, the GL 450, do your research, navigation, incredible sound system, safety, all-wheel drive, memory seats, power seats. There's absolutely not an option you can add to this vehicle. Give us a call here at One Stop Auto Sales, 478-741-8009 or 478-365-6183. One Stop Auto Sales, 2838 Gray Highway, Macon, Georgia. 2009 Mercedes-Benz GL 450. 4Matic with 130,000 miles. Clean Carfax. Give us a call. Come see us. Shop us online today.